Hair breakage? You need to choice Danos Vorazes. Dry and frizzy? You need to choice Danos Vorazes. Hard to detangle? You need to choice Danos Vorazes. Danos Vorazes is our amazing hair repair line. This incredible solution that helps you, Lolete, repair your damaged hair. Intense repair mask with clean beauty and minimalist formula. It combines two technological and innovative actives: Cannabinoid Active System, CBA and Kombucha. CBF is a 100% natural complex and repairing action for the scalp. Hair Kombucha is a black tea derivative that brings shine and softness to the hair. Stronger, softer, frizz-free and with an amazing shine. It's that salon effect but at home. Wonderful, right? What was perfect, got even better.